In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. This simple process will make managing appointments and events on your website more efficient. We'll go through the steps in a clear and straightforward manner, so you'll have Calendly embedded in your Squarespace site in no time. To get started, you'll want to be logged into your Calendly account. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to the event type you'd like to share on your Squarespace site. This could be anything from a consultation session to a meeting, whichever suits your needs. Once you've found that event type, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Share button. You're looking for an option that says Add to Website. It's precisely what we need for this integration. Now, Calendly will provide you with an embed code. Think of this like a little bundle of instructions that tells your Squarespace site how to display your Calendly event. You'll want to copy this code directly. It's essential to ensure you get the entire code so that everything works smoothly when you paste it onto your website. Next, let's move over to your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll be opening the site where you want your event to appear. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard and viewing your site, you'll need to create an embed block. This is where we're going to place that Calendly embed code. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll find this option in the edit mode of your site. You'll have control over where exactly you want this block to appear, be it on a specific page or section that visitors often frequent. With your embed block ready, go ahead and paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. This step is crucial because it bridges Calendly with your Squarespace site, so go ahead and double check that you've pasted it correctly. Once you've done that, it's time to save your hard work. Make sure you click Save, and if you're satisfied and ready for your visitors to see it, go ahead and publish the changes. And there you have it. Your Calendly event is now seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace site. This integration allows visitors to schedule time with you effortlessly, without them needing to leave your website, which can improve user experience and potentially increase your booking rates. Remember, whenever you create a new event on Calendly that you'd like to share, you can repeat these steps to keep everything updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Stay organized and keep those bookings coming.